Southern states, Kaleshwaram project heat is building on KCR. He's the former Telangana Chief Minister, will have to face a probe panel now. Massive security in the city of Hyderabad for the questioning of a former Chief Minister. This is big. We are trying to understand how possibly this could knock directly at the door of the former Chief Minister. And this, remember, is at a juncture about what is it looking like and why possibly KCR is facing the controversy. So remember the project, it was a Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project, a major irrigation project that was started during K. Chandrasekhar's tenure. Abdul Bashir is joining me for the latest on that. Abdul, good morning. Tell me about what is the current status, where is the former Chief Minister and why is the heat on him?
Well, the current status here is that former Chief Minister KCR has just arrived. His convoy is right now going inside. As you can see in the visual, his car, where is waving towards the supporters here. Huge supporters have gathered before the investigation of the special commission, the PC Ghosh Commission that has summoned KCR today to appear in alleged irregularities in the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation scheme. And this is the day where all the facts are going to be revealed by KCR. As we've seen earlier, the other leaders of the BRS party had appeared before the commission, including BJP MP Itala Rajender yesterday. And now what we see is that KCR has arrived at BRK Bhavan in Hyderabad. Huge gathering here by the BRS party, BRS supporters against the investigation that is going on in the PC Ghosh Commission is what we are getting to know. So here, as you can see, several of the supporters have joined here. क्या बोलना चाहेंगे अभी? KCR जी आए हैं इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए, क्या बोलेंगे?
अभी केसीआर के इन्वेस्ट के लिए आए ना, ये रेवंत रेड्डी का मामला तेलंगाना में कांग्रेस अटर फ्लॉप हो गया। मेरा बाप को ये आज नोटिस दिया ना, वो बेकार नोटिस है। ये तेलंगाना जनता को पूरे के नोटिस दिए पे हम सोचे हैं तेलंगाना राष्ट्र समिति के।
What the supporters here claim is that this notice is not only to KCR but to the people of Telangana, and this is all vendetta politics by the Congress or Revanth Reddy government in Telangana is what the BRS supporters are claiming. So here what we see is that the Congress had been continuously lashing out at the BRS, stating that there is a huge scam that has occurred, the collapse or the irregularities in the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation scheme, which is providing water to 20 lakh acres per year annually in several districts of Telangana. This project was a dream project of KCR, which was completed during his tenure, and now there were certain cracks that were seen during in
former Chief Minister. This is the BRS president as well, K. Chandrasekhar, who's now come. This is, we're told, the commission that he's set to face. It's a probe panel. This is the PC Ghosh commission that he's set to face. Show us around, Abdul, about the kind of show of strength of the workers. They are blaming Revanth Reddy government. They are blaming earlier governments as well. Just take us through, if more voices who are willing to speak about what they have to say about their leader.
Well, yes, as you can see right around the BRK Bhavan, you have thousands of supporters gathering here in this particular premises. Now, these people are just protesting against the summons that have been given to KCR on the PC Ghosh investigation, PC Ghosh Commission investigation that is ongoing. क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप आज सर आज जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे KCR जी को बुलाया गया है? So what we are seeing is that several of the supporters have joined here in this particular premises. They see, as you can see here, this side, the whole road here, the main secretariat road here is completely jam-packed by supporters. On all the sides, you can see how the supporters have gathered, claiming that this is a vendetta politics by the Congress government is what they have to say. Let us talk to some people here and understand what exactly they want to say. क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आज के बारे में?
केसीआर साहब को नोटिस दिया तो तेलंगाना को नोटिस दिया सरकार है। केसीआर जलाविहार अगर भगीरथ है पानी के लिए केसीआर तेलंगाना को पानी लाया है, उसको नोटिस देना बोलो तो पूरा तेलंगाना को नोटिस दिया सरकार है।
Okay, so here what you can see is that people here, बताइए आपका नाम।
मेरा नाम साई यादव है, एलबी नगर है। जो बीजेपी ऊपर मोदी और इधर इधर रेवंत रेड्डी दो मिलके हमारे केसीआर साहब को बदनाम करने को देख रहे। ये केसीआर का सैन्यम है। केसीआर को अंदर डाले तो पूरा तेलंगाना हंगामा हो जाएगा। सोच समझ के चलो। बीजेपी मोदी साहब को हम किशन रेड्डी लोकल रेवंत रेड्डी जो मिलके टीआरएस को बदनाम करना चाह रहे हो।
So here what we see is that the BJP government in center and the Congress state government is what the supporters here are alleging. आपका नाम बताइए।
मेरा नाम लौडिया गोपाल नायक।
अभी जो चल रहा है यहाँ पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है, इसको कैसे देखते हैं? बस इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए इतना प्रदर्शन क्यों?
अभी ये गवर्नमेंट दुश्मनी के उले अपने केसीआर को ऊपर डालना चाह रही है, लेकिन भगीरथा और पानी के भगवान केसीआर वो टाइम पे था। इतना कालेश्वरम बना के बहुत लोगों को सारे पीक के लिए बहुत ज्यादा से ज्यादा पानी दिया। उसको अपना सलाम करने के जाके दुश्मनी को उल्टा करना चाह रही है कांग्रेस की गवर्नमेंट। इसलिए पब्लिक उसके लिए बहुत से बहुत एक जुर्म कर रही कि हमारा भगवान और अल्लाह जैसा आदमी को केसीआर साहब को ये गवर्नमेंट बहुत तकलीफ दे रही साहब। इससे पहले वो सीएम को
क्या डिमांड है आपका?
हमारा बता रहे साहब, हमारा भगवान है केसीआर साहब। भगीरथ पानी दिया तो कोई सारे दुनिया को बहुत पिकाने के लिए हर करोड़ों का जमीनों को पिकने के लिए पानी दिया था भगवान को। आज ये लोग गलत दुश्मनी के लिए ऊपर चले जा रहे। ऐसे भगवान के लाके ऐसे आदमी को कभी न कभी विचार नहीं करना चाहिए। हमारा डिमांड।
So here, as we can see, that people here are protesting. You can see placards here of KCR and thousands of people on both the sides. Heavy police deployment can be seen at BRK Bhavan here, and completely the supporters. ये आपका नाम बताइए।
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद जानी।
कहाँ से आए हैं?
मैं सिद्दीपेट से आया हूँ।
तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आप सिद्दीपेट मतलब 300 किलोमीटर दूरी से आए हैं बस केसीआर के इस इन्वेस्टिगेशन के अपीयरेंस के लिए। आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, सबसे पहले एक बात क्या है ना, यहाँ पे तेलंगाना में जो है ना सबसे पहले जो है ना पानी की किल्लत थी इधर। जब हमारा तेलंगाना राज्य बनने के बाद में जो है ना हमारे बीआरएस पार्टी के जो अध्यक्ष जो केसीआर साहब जो है ना वो पानी की किल्लत जो है ना पूरा तेलंगाना राष्ट्र में पूरा जो है ना उसका जो है ना पूरा उन्होंने हर किसान के लिए हर खेती बाड़ी के लिए जो भी चाहिए था वो पूरा उन्होंने जो ना मुकम्मल पूरा कर दिए इधर। और इसी का जो ना हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र जी मोदी जो है ना हर घर जल जो है ना उन्होंने जो है ना तेलंगाना राज्य का जो भी है ना उन्होंने जो है ना अरे ये बहुत अच्छा स्कीम है। कल भी हमने मोदी जी का जो है ना वीडियो भी निकाल दिया था। जितने बार भी केसीआर साहब जो है ना मोदी जी को मिले हैं उन्होंने पानी के वास्ते पानी विचार के वास्ते बात करे हैं। तो उन्होंने जो है ना ये बहुत अच्छा स्कीम है। चंद्रशेखर राव जी आपके तेलंगाना राज्य में
कुछ इरेगुलरिटीज हुए बोल रहे हैं, उसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रहा है। तो उसके
देखिए इन्वेस्टिगेशन है ये जो है ना पूरा वर्ल्ड में जो है ना बहुत बड़ा कालेश्वरम जो है ना लिफ्ट इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट है इधर। ये हमारा देश का जो है ना ये अभाग्य है ये, क्योंकि जो है ना वर्ल्ड वाइड जो है ना इसको बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट बोल के बता रहा। तो हमारे यहाँ के लोकल वाले यहाँ का जो सीएम रेवंत रेड्डी है उन्होंने जो है ना उसके ऊपर कमीशन के लिए उन्होंने विचारणा दिए इधर। एक्चुअली क्या है ना उनका पार्टी कांग्रेस पार्टी जो है यहाँ पे 20% कमीशन के लिए काम कर रहा है इधर। केसीआर साहब काम नहीं करी, इसलिए जो ना उन्होंने जो है ना बिना डरे जो भी हमें विचारणा जो है ना उन्होंने आए इधर।
As you can see that right around this particular premises, there are thousands of supporters gathered, heavy police deployment here, as you can see. And right now, KCR, the former chief minister, has gone inside the commission and in a few minutes from now, there will be investigation that is set to begin. The questioning that is set to begin in the PC Ghosh Commission.
Abdul, that's the visual coming in of the former chief minister of the Bharat Rashtra Samiti president, K. Chandrasekhar, arriving. You can clearly see a band on his arm. And amid sloganeering, people, his supporters, are wearing the T-shirts, flaunting their support, solidarity with KCR. The allegations are serious in nature. These are irregularities during his tenure when he was the chief minister, when the Kaleshwaram irrigation project was initiated. And that, of course, the supporters believe are all false, fake. But remember, these are serious issues. At a juncture like this, tell us about Kaleshwaram project, Abdul, because it is important, especially when it comes to the state of Telangana. But at this juncture, there are questions being raised over KCR.
Well, Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project is claimed to be the world's largest lift irrigation project. Now, this project, which supplies or provides irrigation to more than 20 lakh acre of land annually, and several farmers are receiving water, is what the BRS is claiming. Now, this project began with the dream of KCR, and during his tenure, where the project was completed and was inaugurated. Now, there were certain cracks in this project barrages that have led to several questions that are being raised on the quality of the material used, the projects that were given, and what was the reason that in the initial days that the cracks have begun in the Medigadda barrage that comes under the Kaleshwaram project. Now, opposition during the then opposition Congress party had visited, even Rahul Gandhi had visited this particular barrage, and promised that the election promise that they made was after the Congress party had come to power in Telangana, they would set up a commission or inquiry in this particular alleged irregularities is what the Congress party stated. Now, immediately after Congress party had come to power, that formed a commission, the PC Ghosh Commission, which is now investigating this particular irrigation project. Now, several leaders, the then former irrigation minister Harish Rao, BJP MP Itala Rajendra, who was in that period in BRS party, was questioned. The BRS government then was questioned recently, and now today is the day when KCR is set to appear before the PC Ghosh Commission. Now here, all the facts, all the procedures, all the system that was involved in this construction of this particular project is set to be revealed to the commission here, and BRS party claims that they are very much confident that there is no irregularity and everything that is there will be produced. But now the Congress party and the BJP here claim that there is a huge scam in this particular project. There were commissions involved. The quality of this particular project was compromised is what the Congress and the BJP is claiming. Now today is the day where all the BRS party here show their power, their muscle here before their supremo, their party chief KCR is appearing before the commission here. Let us talk to people here and get to know what exactly are they feeling. आपने KCR जी की टी-शर्ट पहनी है, क्या मैसेज देना चाह रहे हैं, क्या कहेंगे इस इन्वेस्टिगेशन को लेकर?
केसीआर साहब को नाजायज आज कालेश्वरम के उसमें फंसाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। कालेश्वरम में कोई काम नहीं हुआ।
हिंदुस्तान में आज तक किसी मुख्यमंत्री ने इस कदर काम नहीं किया। कोई और देश में अगर ऐसे ही काम होता तो शायद उनको एक बहुत बड़ी पुरस्कार, इंडियाज हाईएस्ट सिविलियन रिकॉग्निशन भी मिलता। पर अनफॉर्चुनेटली आज तेलंगाना में और भारत में हाल ये है कि दोनों बीजेपी और कांग्रेस मिलके एक साजिश रच के आज केसीआर जो प्रोजेक्ट बनाए, दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी प्रोजेक्ट, वर्ल्ड्स लिफ्ट इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट, 4 साल में जो बनाया गया कालेश्वरम, जिसके अंदर आज 45 लाख एकड़ को पानी मिलता है, उसको आज बदनाम करने की कोशिश सिर्फ और सिर्फ राजनीति फायदा के लिए स्मीयर कैंपेनिंग चालू है। इसके अलावा आज कुछ नहीं करने वाले हैं, क्योंकि कमीशन को भी शायद सच्चाई अभी तक समझ आ गई होगी और हमें उम्मीद है कि जो भी सवाल किया जाएगा, जो भी सवाल पूछा जाएगा, उसका भरपूर जवाब केसीआर जी देंगे और तेलंगाना की जनता भी कांग्रेस और बीजेपी को भरपूर जवाब देगी आगे जब भी चुनाव आएगा। राहुल गांधी और बीजेपी दोनों मिलकर ये काम कर रहे हैं। कालेश्वरम ऐसी प्रोजेक्ट है जिसमें 100 से ज्यादा कंपोनेंट है, पूरा सिस्टम एकदम इंटैक्ट है। आज एक बराज में, जबकि वहां 3 बराज है, 19 रिजर्वायर है, 21 पंपिंग स्टेशन है, 100 किलोमीटर 500 से ज्यादा किलोमीटर टनल्स हैं, ग्रेविटी के अंडरग्राउंड टनल्स हैं और 1800 से ज्यादा किलोमीटर ग्रेविटी टनल्स हैं। इस सब सिस्टम में 100 कंपोनेंट्स में एक कंपोनेंट है एक बराज मेडीगड्ढा, और उसमें भी जहां 85 से ज्यादा पिलर है, 2 पिलर डैमेज हुए, और वो भी हमें तो आज भी लगता है कि कांग्रेस के बदमाशों ने कुछ किया होगा। तो इसलिए हम कहते हैं कि आज जो एक बदमाशी कैंपेन, साजिश की जो कैंपेन है, स्मीयर कैंपेन, जो एक पॉलिटिकल वेंडेटा दोनों बीजेपी और कांग्रेस मिलके आज चला रहे हैं, इसका मुंह तोड़ जवाब तेलंगाना जनता एन वक्त पे देगी। और
Right, so that is KTR, the son of former Chief Minister KCR. He's the current working president of BRS. Joining me also, BRS leader Dr. Krishank on the phone line. Dr. Krishank, tell me this, you've put on social media, these commissions can do nothing to fight fighter KCR. Why do you believe that these are all charges against him? This is political manipulation because there are serious charges of irregularities of the Kaleshwaram project initiated during his tenure.
Well, number one, before Kaleshwaram, there was Pranahita Chevella project which the Congress took up. In United Andhra Pradesh, Congress was in power, Maharashtra, Congress was in power, and all over India, UPA, Congress was in power. But why couldn't they do Pranahita Chevella project? So, KCR Garu initiated Kaleshwaram, and that is why Telangana's agriculture has raisin that the Food Corporation of India calls Telangana as the rice bowl of India. So such a leader who's worked for Telangana's water is being tarnished only for political accusations. SLBC tunnel has collapsed. 8 people have died. There's no inquiry on that. Sunkishala has collapsed. There's no inquiry on that. Rahul Gandhi comes here and campaigns that 1 lakh crore corruption has happened here.
Yes.
But the fact is, the entire project was constructed in 80,000 crores. So definitely, today we don't see it as a questioning.
So,
We
so
are
what are
going
you
to see
saying? You,
that-
you brought in Rahul Gandhi here, you brought in Revant Reddy. Are you saying this is the Congress government incumbent that's deliberately trying to target KCR? Why would they want to do that?
To divert from their guarantees, declarations, and their 420 promises. They do not have a vision. Have you ever heard a chief minister of this country saying that no one is believing me, no one is giving me an appointment in Delhi, I cannot run a state,
Yes.
I have to increase the price fare of the bus passes, I have to increase the price of the sand, I have to hike alcohol? Then didn't you know how to run the state when you actually promised all these declarations and guarantees? Why are we asking Rahul Gandhi? Because he came here. He promised all these declarations, and to divert that, you see charges on KTR on bringing Formula E. Formula E brought us 800 crore revenue and 10,000 crore of projects investments here. Formula E was a success. What happened to you today? Miss World. Miss World has become a disaster because what happened? Miss England actually gave comments against you. Number one.
Okay.
Number two, Harish Rao, who's been the irrigation minister, you filed a false case on him. Yesterday, High Court has disposed the case. Every BRS leader is being targeted because Congress wants
Okay.
to divert. But yet, we are not doing dharnas in front of ED offices or governor offices like how the entire Congress party does, like when Rahul Gandhi gets notices. Today, we are cooperating. Our leaders are attending these commissions to explain them that how Telangana was, how Telangana is present today, thanks to the governance of KCR.
Okay, so we'll wait how this proceeds. Remember, questions will be asked to the former Chief Minister, especially with regard to the project irregularity allegation. The party is defending him, show of strength on the ground. But will he be able to come clean on the charges against him? We'll be tracking that.